Hi, my name is Emma, and this is my media blog number 3. The organization that I picked is Retros, because I'm actually a part of their company. Um, so now we're gonna get into it. So for the first question, it says, what specifically is this piece trying to accomplish above and beyond satisfy the basic prompt? So I think like what it's basically saying is that even though employees may not be satisfied at Dutch Bros due to here as I said that although employees may be sad and due to their finances because of the COVID outbreak and because our manager has to bring down the hours now. It's made it a lot more difficult for employees to stay there, but we keep a positive attitude and they're fine with it. Employees and upper management at Dutch Bros have been getting less hours and are affected financially because of the COVID outbreak of COVID-19. So yeah, that shows that. I think it like shows people that even though they're going through something bad, we're still like pushing through. We're not closing. Like we're still gonna like work and everything, and be positive about our job, even though we may not be getting the right amount of money. And they can contact anyone who wants to maybe join Dutch Bros, and or the management can be informed, and the employees that like they're not the only ones getting less hours, and then it doesn't have to do with their performance as an employee. But specifically rhetorical modes did you choose and make to accomplish the goals? I would say I added like this right here, like who my general manager is and everything, and with like the intro. Um, and the hypothesis, I like made sure it matched and like had that rhetorical feel, as well as with um, the different methods I did to collect my research, which is asking the customers and the management, and we just did a basic survey. So that's that. And then for question 3, why did you end up pursuing this plan over all the other ones? Well, the plan I had before was I was going to do a Rotary Club, which is a club I'm a part of with my mother, and I was going to do that one because it's been a part of my life forever, and I know many people I could talk to be my stakeholders. But I decided it wasn't like the best option because I just got this new job, and I've been like it's like all I've been talking about. So I thought this would be a really good option for the project because it's something that is a good organization that is in my life, and um, I think I had a better context of what I wanted to do than with the Rotary Club because the Rotary Club hasn't been really a thing because of COVID. Um, and then for who and what played a role in accomplishing goals. So I would say Prezi, and I also used Google Docs and stuff, and I used YouTube to help me as well. Also, all of my stakeholders, Jordan, Dean, and all of my fellow employees at Dutch Bros were a huge help in this as well. Um, and then finally, what comment on the phone? Okay, what did you like about the program and why? I loved how easy it was to find everything. Everything is extremely organized on here. It's hard to like kind of figure out how to make things like bigger and smaller and just like organize where you want it. But it is like once you make your own account, you can tell what is like where is where and be able to start your project immediately, and that's what I was kind of nervous about. what did you find a challenge? I would say, like I said, trying to like make things bigger and smaller, like the text was really hard. Like with the bubbles, it was very difficult for me to like stretch them out. I don't know why it was hard for me to do that. What did you find easy? Everything was super accessible. Like I said, like everything was really easy to find. I loved where like the colors were. It was so easy to change the colors of the circles, and it was so easy to line them up to where like they were spaced out evenly. So that was a huge help. And then will you use this program for project three? I probably will. It just depends if it works best with my project three or not. But I really do like this software a lot better than some of the other ones we've used. So I will definitely be considering this for my project three. Thank you so much.